Dream on, dream on. These voices, they tell me go. Why should I ever go? Man, I'm so comfortable here. Why should I head to a place where people live in fear? Standoffish to really hear something they can really feel. But see, I'll never get why the earth is a puzzle that I'll never fit. I'm not of the world, so why should I leave my sanctuary? Man, the whole thought of that is scary. How do I know that the kind will truly hear me out? Where they understand I'm flying from a different route. Pose as a human being. Mother Moon tells me that people need my help. I guess these are the cards she threw out and dealt. She said I gotta do it alone.